I'm so sorry.
So okay. So all this time you've been playing.
No, I wasn't. It was.
So why did you do it?
It was a mistake.
Oh, I don't call me babe.
I'm 3 months pregnant.
Don't call me babe. So.
Like we can go do abortion. Ubengamfuni umntana and lapho ngekathi kumele sihlukane mina naye. It was before ngilala no Musa.
Just because she wanted me to raise the baby that is not mine. That's why she was so pressuring. This was your plan.
No.
What is the plan? Me to raise
it
a
wasn't
child
my
that is
plan.
not mine. Okay. You said how many months are you?
I'm 3 months pregnant.
3 months pregnant.
Yes.
But 2 months back, we discussed about the ratio. This is so fucked up. So why, my friend?
No,
of all people, ma'am, like you're telling me that you slept with my friend.
Yo, with your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship, brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. On today's episode, Ngobamphethe uTinash bringing uLili. Let's get into it.
Hi guys, my name is Tinash. I came on the show to save my relationship because the girl I'm currently dating right now, she wants to have a child, yet I'm not ready for the child yet. So I came so that we could save our relationship.
Hey yo, with your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship, brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. As I said to you guys earlier on, Ngobamphethe uTinash and uLili. You guys good?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. You okay, bro?
Yeah, I'm good.
You don't look too okay. What's up? What's happening?
I'm good.
What's up? Did you eat or you hungry? Cause you don't have energy. What's happening?
I'm alright. I'm just a little bit low today.
Oh, you're a little bit low.
Yeah, but I'm fine.
Is your person making you feel that low?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah. Ian, what are you doing to your person?
No, I'm not doing anything.
Okay. Do you know why you're here on the show?
No, I'm just surprised. Why am I here?
Okay, now we're going to tell you why you are here. So, this is Save My Relationship, ne? It's a show by if kunenkinga in your guys' relationship, you come and then you put your nkinga here on the table for us to maybe see if we can assist you guys. We're actually giving you guys a room to speak about your problem, and then we see from the comment section people assisting you guys. We'll also have input. Mara, you'll also have the community that are watching to assist you guys with your problem. Is there anything you're facing that maybe you don't know your person?
No.
You don't have a clue to glitch.
No, I don't have a clue. But like ngiyazibuza ukuthi why azongiletha la.
Cause there's a problem, I think, good relationship yenu.
But why can't he speak like endlini angitshela ukuthi no babe, whatever you're doing is not okay. Than ukuthi angilethela ebantwini.
Let's get to hear okay inkinga yakhe yini ne. So the platform is yours. You can speak to her about why you brought her to the show.
Okay, Lily, the reason why I approached you to the show, firstly is because I love you and I love you so much, and I feel like our relationship is being shaken due to our, arguments. It's like we're not on the same page.
How?
See, you want to have a baby, right? You remember we discussed about that.
Of course, like we've been dating for about 3 years now.
I understand that. I understand that. So, me saying no, I feel like you are now losing faith in me. Like, you think that I don't love you anymore, but that's not the case. It's just a matter of time. That's why I had to approach you on this show.
But do you know that you're getting old? Do you know that?
I know. It's just that I'm not ready as of now.
Then when are we going to have a baby?
You see, now...
You are working.
Look, we see.
Like everything is okay.
Now we are arguing. You see, this is now a misunderstanding. That's the reason why I approach you here. Because whenever we discuss about this, we end up fighting, and I don't like that.
But you know that your mother loves grandchilds. And like she's been asking me, Lily, when are you giving me grandchildren and like everything? But when you keep on saying no, I'm not ready.
Look,
you're acting as if you are a girl.
Hey, look, you are dating me, not my mother. You should understand.
Do it for your mom.
Why should I do for... Lulu, this is about me and you, ne? Even if we start staying together right now, it will be me, you and me, not my mom, not my brother, not my little brother. It's about... You have to understand me. If you don't understand me, who do you expect, who do you expect to understand me? If you don't understand me.
Okay, since you don't want a baby, what if
I didn't say I don't want a baby, I just said not
You're
now.
not ready. Until when? Until when?
Until I tell you that I'm ready for it.
So how long have this thing been going on of you guys having a child, wanting to have a child?
It's about a year now.
It's a year?
Yeah.
And how long are you thinking that you're going to make her wait to get a child?
She just have to be patient. Ne?
You don't have a time frame?
I don't have a time frame, but you just have to be patient. You know,
for what?
Patience is love. Patience
for what?
is love. You should
no, you don't love me.
I'm going
what
to
if
be
I
ready.
do love kids? You know that I do love kids.
You love kids.
And I want kids.
Okay,
I'm old now.
Okay. I know I go to work, ne? I go to work, but I'm not financially stable to raise a kid.
He is financially stable. He's working. Like he's working. Like everything is okay. Une apartment, he has a car. Like everything is okay. Ngimthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. But uyathanda ukungidisappointa. You like disappointing me. He really likes disappointing me.
It's not that I like disappointing.
Okay, what's the case? What's the problem?
I'm just not ready now. Like I know I go.
Okay, the question I'm asking: when are you going to be ready to have a child?
Should just be patient. I will tell you.
You don't have. You know.
Okay. Give me maybe 3 years or 2 years.
What?
Yeah.
3 years.
Yeah.
Yo, we are put.
Okay, why are you in a hurry?
I'm not in a hurry. I love you. Like, what if I found someone whom will want kids? Like someone also be ready for kuba nengane since you don't want kids. Best also feel bad.
You don't like kids.
It's not that I don't like kids.
He doesn't like
I'm
kids.
Not financially stable.
He can't just say.
I do go to a
Imagine umfana othi yena akafuni ingane.
Do you know how expensive it is to raise a kid?
Baby, it's not like you're not working. You are working. It's not
I am working, but
I'm also
not
working.
Enough to raise a kid.
I'm also working.
I'm not earning enough to raise a kid.
Well, what's enough? What's enough, guys? Because people will be confused. Like you're not earning enough. There's people that are working a shop right. They're having kids.
But they can.
Yeah,
but they have about 4 kids. 4.
You don't have to compare me to those people. We're different.
Okay, now you just want to get money first before.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to get my things in a straight line.
So Lily, what's
marriage?
Okay.
I'm not ready for it.
Why are you in a hurry to get a child, Lily? Let's hear from your side of the story.
Mina, I really love kids. And I'm imagining myself as a mom. I'm 26 years of age. So right now, I want to build a family with him. Do you understand?
You see, it's about her.
It's not about me.
What about what I want? You see, it's all about you. You loving kids.
What if you have someone that you love outside since you don't want
that?
No, since you don't want kids with me? What if you do have someone whom you love?
But
what if?
No, there's no one.
There is.
You're the only one.
There is. Because I get
if I didn't love you, I wouldn't have brought you to this show. If I didn't love you, I wouldn't have brought you to this show. But I came here because I want to save our relationship, just because I love you so much.
Okay, you came here to save your relationship.
Yeah. Because I felt like if we kept on discussing this matter alone, the two of us, at the end, we are going to break up because she was going to feel like I don't understand it, and I was going to feel like she doesn't understand me because I'm trying by all means to explain things to her that I'm not ready for a kid now.
Nah,
it's not that I
like
never want to have
love
a kid.
Me, no. Ngizophuma mina ngiyothola umuntu ongithandayo, you don't. Because I really need kids. Like ngiyabadinga. Awungithandi at all. You don't.
We will have kids.
No, I can't.
Just not
until when?
Just
until when? What if you do have kids when you're outside?
Okay, do you have kids, Tinashe?
Do you have kids outside?
No.
Are you scared to have kids? Or you're too young? Or you're too young to have kids? How old are you?
I'm not ready.
He's not even young.
I'm not financially stable to raise a kid. Like, even if the
One
apartment,
kid, like one kid.
Even if the apartment that she's talking about, it's a 1-bedroom, and she already wants kids. I don't even live in an apartment that can accommodate kids.
But one kid you can.
One bed.
Yes.
1 bed flat, 1 bed apartment. That's where you want to raise a kid.
So when just because you're 26, that's why you want a child, or maybe pressure sendlini.
No, not the pressure. Ngiyayifuna ingane. Like,
when did you started feeling good? Okay, saying for your friends.
Like last year, I told him, "Mori, no, babe. Right now, we should have a kid. You understand? Then he was like, "Nah, I'm not ready, Lily. Seems like you're in a hurry. Like you're rushing things.
That's
you understand?"
You are in a hurry. You are in a hurry. I don't know.
But by that time, you're a graduate.
I know.
Like you work, like he's working. I'm also working.
So you're both working.
If you work, it doesn't mean you can afford
like
to raise a
we
kid
have
just because you're
everything. We're
working.
not even suffering. We're not even suffering.
That's because we have enough for the two of us, not for the third.
Not for the third person.
Yeah, not for the third person.
I don't think like I'll carry on dating you.
So you're not dumping me?
Oh, so
No.
okay. So just because I'm not ready for a kid,
No,
you want
babe,
to break up?
it's
with
not
me.
like
just
that.
Just like that.
No.
For how long have we been dating that you can't understand me?
I can, but you can't understand me. You can't. Like I've been patient all these years. Like I've been patient for you. But when you can't understand me.
I do understand you.
And right now, there is something that I need to tell you. I'm so sorry for this.
Don't be sorry. Just say it. What do you want to tell me?
Since you
say
don't
sorry.
want a child, I'm pregnant.
What did you say?
I slept with your friend, Musa.
Are you serious right now?
I'm so sorry, babe.
Don't call me babe.
I'm 3 months pregnant.
Don't call me babe. So, this is so fucked up. So, why, my friend?
No,
of all
I
people, ma'am, like, you're telling me that you slept with my friend. Eh?
It wasn't a planned thing.
Don't tell me that it wasn't a planned thing. This is the
No,
most fucked
babe,
up thing that
we
I've
were at
ever had.
Cosmopolitan, then things happened. I was drunk.
So,
and he
okay,
knows
okay.
that.
Okay. So, are you trying to explain yourself right now? Are you trying to explain yourself right now that just because you were drunk, you slept with my friend?
I'm so sorry.
Don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. I want an explanation. Like, what did you? Why
I
did you
didn't
do
know
that?
that it was-
Why would you do that?
I didn't know that it
Are
was
you bulletproof
Musa.
or something? Are you bulletproof?
No.
So you guys
And
didn't use
that looks
protection?
like yours bulletproof.
No, we didn't.
Huh?
You guys never use protection. That's why.
No, we didn't.
Is it the first time this thing happened? You guys
It was
haven't?
I'm so sorry. It was the second time. I'm so sorry.
Oh, okay. So you have been drunk twice and you slept with him
Not
twice.
twice. The first time I wasn't drunk. Then the time that I got.
So why are you telling me about being drunk? Like you're telling me I slept with a friend just because I was drunk. Yet you just said this is not the first time. What the fuck is going on, Lulu?
I'm so sorry.
So
babe.
okay. So all
I'm
this time
so-
you've been playing me.
No, I wasn't. It was.
So why did you do it?
It was a mistake.
Oh.
We were at a club, Cosmopolitan, in Maboneng.
Okay. What you're telling me is so fucked up, like so fucked up. How can you tell me that it was a mistake and you did it twice? Not once, twice. The first time
I didn't know that he was your friend. I didn't know that he was your friend.
At what point does it make any sense? At what point does
Maybe
it
it
make
does
any
make
sense?
sense
Cheating-
because I
okay,
didn't know.
No, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, you
It
knowing
does.
wait, Lulu, you knowing him or not knowing him, cheating me, it's not okay. It's not okay.
But baby,
there is nothing
it's
okay
not like you're
about
not
you
cheating
sleeping
up.
with another man. There is nothing okay.
No, but it's not like you're not cheating on me. You are cheating.
So you cheated on him because you're suspecting that your boyfriend is cheating.
Yeah, and
This
also
is-
he
this is
like
the
he
most
doesn't
fucked
want
up thing
kids
that I've
with me.
ever-
I don't know why.
So you think it's cheating?
Okay. So
Is
wait,
it about the
okay,
child?
so-
Or what's
So
going on?
okay.
Oh, Musa,
Now I
Musa
see.
likes kids.
Now I see what's going on.
Musa wants kids.
Yes, that's why I
No,
slept with
no.
him.
You know,
order
your
for-
plan was to make me raise a child that is not mine. That's why you were pressuring me that you need a child. You knew
How
that
can
you
I
were
do
pregnant
that?
already.
How?
That's because you knew that you were pregnant already, and you were putting pressure on me so that I can say that baby.
No.
Were you trying to
This
trap him?
was your plan.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, this was your plan.
No.
What
it
is the
wasn't.
plan?
You wanted me to raise
It
a
wasn't
child that
my
is
plan.
not mine.
No.
You wanted me to raise. That's why you were giving me pressure, eh?
No.
So what
We're
is-
not
okay,
even
what-
dating,
Okay.
Mina
You
Nomusa.
said
We're not even dating.
okay. How many months are you?
I'm 3 months pregnant.
3 months pregnant.
Yes.
But 2 months back, we discussed about the issue.
About the having a child and all
Having
that.
a child. She
Yeah.
told me that she wanted a child 2 months
I didn't
back.
know by the time that I was
She
pregnant.
realized that she
I
was
didn't
pregnant.
know.
Yeah, I know. We have once talked about this before.
Oh, you guys spoke about it before. Months before.
Months before this.
Yeah,
Nah?
yeah.
But the reason why she brought it up, like when we discussed about this sometime last year, I told her, I'm not ready for a child. We were okay. And this time when she brought up the issue, she was so angry to the point that's why I came to this show, so that I could try and save my relationship. So her telling me now that she's pregnant for my friend, it means she brought up that issue just because she wanted me to raise the baby that is not mine. That's why she was so pressuring me. She was telling me, it's either we have a baby or we break up. So that was the reason.
It wasn't the reason.
So what was the reason why you wanted to break up with him? Because funumtan.
Ubengamfuni umntana, and lapho ngekathi kumele sihlukane mina naye, it was before ngilala noMusa. Njengoba manje ngimithi, it was before ngilala noMusa. It's not like ukuthi angimthandi, mengithanda ngasikhipha lesisu. Like we can go do abortion or something. Because
we will
I don't
never
love
do that.
Musa.
You
No,
know what?
we're
Me
not
and you
even
are done.
dating.
Me and you are done.
Uyangidampa.
We are done.
Uyasangana bo.
We are
Udampa
done.
bani?
You and me are done.
No, we're
You
not.
and me are done.
We're not.
You
I
and me
know
are
you're
done.
the one who approached me, but
Me and you are
no,
done.
no
We're done.
ways. I'm
You're
gonna
so
abort
fucked up.
this
You're so
child.
fucked up.
I'm
You
gonna
and
abort
Musa-
him.
You and Musa are so fucked
Does
up.
Musa know that you're pregnant?
He knows.
So
He
go
knows.
to Musa then.
He knows that I'm pregnant.
Does he know that it's his child?
I told him last
okay.
week.
I want you to tell you something. I want to tell you something, eh? You better go and tell that Musa of yours, he better be bulletproof. Because when I see him,
Okay, babe, but
tell him
still,
you better be bulletproof.
I'll go look for pills or something. I'll abort
Okay.
the child because
No, you don't have to abort the child.
why?
The child doesn't have any.
You don't have to abort the child.
Will you raise the child?
No. Me and you are
Then-
done. I'm just telling you.
We not.
I
We
don't
not.
want to be the reason why you are going to abort
No,
your child
we
with that
have-
Musa. But
No.
just know one thing. That child of yours is going to be fatherless because when I say that fucking Musa of yours,
What are you gonna
you know
do?
what? You're gonna raise that baby alone.
I'm not.
Okay?
I'm
Because
not.
that Musa of
Angeke
yours won't be,
sihlukane
you're going to
mina
be a
nawe.
widow. I'm
No
telling
ways.
you.
I'm
You're
not
going to
gonna
be
be a
a
single mom.
widow.
But like you, the one
You
who
fucked
didn't
with
want
the-
to
you
have
fucked with
kids
the wrong
with
person.
me,
I'm not
and then
to-
right
I'm not to
now
be
I'm
fucked with.
pregnant. He's
I'm not to be
angry.
fucked with.
I've been patient.
I should be angry. I should be angry because the baby that you're carrying is not mine.
University,
It's
even
not
now.
mine. It's not mine. Oh, so I should be happy that you're pregnant. Is that what you're saying? I should be happy.
Babe,
I
what,
should
what
be
if
happy.
you can't
Don't
have
call me.
kids?
Don't call me babe.
Babe,
Don't call me babe.
what
I'm
if
not
you
a
can't?
babe. I'm not a babe. Don't call me babe. Okay? Don't call me babe.
Hey.
This is the most fucked up thing that I've ever seen in my life. Don't call me babe, okay?
You can't say fucked up. You can't say
Don't make me
Musa
lose
is
my
better than you.
temper.
Musa is
Okay,
better
guys,
than
let's-
my
you.
temper. Don't make me lose
Musa
my
is
temper.
better than you. You can't say
Don't make me
fucked
lose-
up.
Okay, that Musa of yours, I'm going to deal with him, okay?
You can't say fucked
But Musa
up.
is
I promise.
Musa is not the
I
problem.
promise. He is the problem because he's my friend and he knew that you were sleeping with my girlfriend. So he is the problem.
Is it not your girlfriend the problem?
Both of them.
I'm not.
Both of them.
I didn't know that.
Both of
I didn't
them.
know that you guys were friends. I didn't know. I
Okay,
didn't
guys,
know that
let's-
you
Make me
guys
lose
were
my
friends.
Let's go to a
This is the most
situation.
fucked up thing that I've ever seen.
Let's have
You
a
and me are done.
let's have a solution. Are you
Me and you are done. Me and you are done.
what you finished?
Raise our child.
You done with her?
Yeah, I'm done with
I'm
him.
also done with you.
Okay, you also agree that you're done.
Yeah, I'm also done with him.
I'm done with
Okay, I
you.
guess this.
I wish I'd never met you.
Ngobani?
Yeah, I wish I'd never met you.
There is no such, but for
This
you
is a
liked
curse.
me.
I was cursed
You
for
liked
meeting
me
you. I don't
you
even know
saw
what I
me.
did in my past life to deserve you in this life.
I
I must have
everything.
killed someone in my previous life. Like I must have killed someone in my past life for God to punish me with a person like you. I should never have loved you.
It's fine, but we're done.
Besides the
You
fact
guys-
that I always used to do everything
I'll
for you. I
continue
did
with
anything,
Musa.
everything.
Because we also want-
Even the phone that
You continue with
using
Musa?
to cheat on me, I'm the
Yeah,
one
I'll
who bought
continue
that
with
phone.
him.
You bought her the phone.
Yeah. The phone
take
that
the
she's
phone.
cheating.
You'll take the phone.
same phone
No ways.
that she's cheating me on. I'm the one who bought the phone. I don't know why she did that. She's so fucked up. Just because of a baby. Let me see. Okay, guess what? That Musa of yours, he doesn't have a job. I want to see how it's going
He's
to raise that
employed.
child.
So you're defending Umusa manje?
So,
No, I can defend you. I'm just saying good
So
today.
you're calling getting 2,000 rands a month working. Is that working? How is he going to
Uyakhanda,
raise
he's a
that baby?
hustler. He's a hustler.
So you're making peace.
I knew Musa before you, so there's nothing you can tell me about Musa. You're going to be suffering, ne?
I won't
Because you
suffer.
are so ungrateful. I gave you everything.
I
Besides
won't
the baby
suffer.
thing, before
That's
this-
what I know.
Besides the baby thing, this baby thing, I did everything for you. The same phone that you are using, that you are cheating me.
You can take
on.
your phone. I don't care. I don't care. You can take your phone.
Consider it.
It's not like I'm not working. I
consider
am
it.
working.
Okay, so you're gonna take your phone.
Everything, whatever you bought me, even these shoes, you can take
I'm
them.
going to take everything.
Take everything,
I'm
even
going
the underwear. You can
And I'm
take
going to stop paying
everything.
your rentals. You're going
It's
to live on the
fine.
streets.
I'm working.
Yeah.
I'm working.
You're going to live with
I'm
that
done
piece of
with
yours
you.
who live
I'm
in
done.
Kuku. Yeah.
So we done. You guys, you're breaking up, right? You guys.
And that most of yours better be bulletproof because when you see him.
You don't even have a gun. You don't.
Okay.
You don't.
I don't.
Oh.
I don't.
Okay, guys, we're gonna close this one here because we're gonna just be running around. It is what it is before it was what it was. It's your boy M. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We out.